How to use Lalamove to send packages. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Lalamove to send packages. First of all, open up the Lalamove app. Once you get into its app, click to pick the vehicle. You can pick any of the following vehicles from the given options. Like we picked a courier service. Also, you can use the additional services available here. Like you can choose the English or thermal bag as your additional service. After that, pick up your location. You can choose any location from where you want to ride to pick your package. Then choose the drop-off location where you want to deliver the package. Once you're done adding both locations, tap to check the details. After checking the details, click to place your order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.